Ever felt that rush when you're about to make a large crypto transaction only to be stopped dead in your tracks? It's that moment when you hit a wall you didn't even know was there, a transaction limit. It's a common experience for many in the crypto space, especially when using a platform that bridges the gap between traditional banking and the world of digital assets, like Bitwala. But why are these limits in place? Are they a roadblock or a necessary safeguard? Let's unpack that. In the world of crypto, where decentralization is the mantra, the very idea of a limit seems counterintuitive. However, when you're dealing with a service like Bitwala that integrates a traditional bank account and a crypto wallet, you're operating within a regulated financial system. These limits are not arbitrary. They are a crucial part of a larger security and compliance framework designed to protect you, the platform, and the wider financial ecosystem from fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. Think of them less as a cage and more as a carefully constructed guardrail, keeping everyone on the right side of the road. So, let's get into the specifics of those guardrails. Bitwala's transaction limits are broken down into different categories, and they can vary depending on what you're doing. For everyday card payments, you have a daily limit of 10,000 euros and a monthly limit of 15,000 euros. This is the amount you can spend with your Bitwala card, whether it's for a morning coffee or a big online purchase. When it comes to getting cash out, ATM withdrawals are capped at 350 euros per day and 3,000 euros per month. These are designed to prevent large, suspicious cash outs that could signal fraudulent activity. Now, what about the crypto side of things? Bitwala makes it easy to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC. The minimum amount for any trade is a manageable 25 euros. However, the good news is that there is no theoretical maximum limit for buying or selling crypto. This is great for larger investors or traders who want to move significant amounts. But, and this is a key point, extremely large buy orders may face temporary delays. Why? Because the platform needs to ensure it has enough liquidity to execute such a massive trade smoothly. It's a practical measure to maintain market stability and ensure your transaction goes through without a hitch. When you're dealing with deposits and withdrawals, the rules are slightly different. Inbound transactions, meaning crypto deposits, have a limit of 15,000 euros. All deposits, including both crypto and fiat, are capped at a total of 25,000 euros. For outbound transactions, you can withdraw up to 10,000 euros per month. And for those exceptionally large transactions, anything exceeding 300,000 euro might be flagged for a manual review. This is an added layer of security to verify the legitimacy of the transaction and protect both you and the platform. Understanding these limits is not about finding a way around them. It's about being a responsible user and knowing the operational parameters of the tools you're using. It helps you plan your financial activities, whether you're a casual user or a more serious investor. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.